Dodson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. On this car, we do offer shipping and financing is available. We can help you with both those things, but we're going to take a look at it today. This is a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 138 real super sport car. It is a factory doubloon blue. It is a beautiful car, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes, tilt wheel, just awesome car. It is beautiful, and we're going to take a look at it. Show you the passenger side first. All nice and clean on the inside. Really nice, clean. It's got the clock and the dash, 4-speed Hurst, knee knocker tack, right steering wheel. Just really slick. All the doors are good. Show you what it looks like inside of the trunk here. All inside the trunk is nice and clean. It's got the spare tire and the jack. Really looks good. It's got all the instructions there. Shut the trunk here, show you how it shuts. Shuts good. All right, he's gonna start it up for us. Oh, looks good down in there. Show you here. There's the VIN plate, 138 Super Sport. It's got the Super Sport dash, knee knocker tack, AM FM radio horn works. So really nice, just clean car. Hard to find these 66 Chevelles. Love the Hurst shifter, really looks good. Shut the door here. It shuts super easy. Show you what it looks like underneath the hood. It's powered by 396. Believed to be 360 horse. Don't know if that's correct or not, but that's what the breather states. Power steering, factory power steering, power disc brakes, factory air. Really nice, really clean underneath the hood. All looks great. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the car. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 138 Super Sport car. All right, we're going to take it for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Air works great, blows cold. Got a little bit of traffic going on this morning, but it's never stopped us before. All right, here we go. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a smooth driving car. Nothing better than a 66 Chevelle. do every time, I'll have you get on it just a little bit here, see what this car's made of. Car shifts through all the gears right, just runs and drives the best. Just basically floats out on the road. Great car. All right, we are almost back here, and like we do every time, we'll show you what it looks like underneath. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572, 859-621-5572. All right, here's the underneath.